My baby, bounce like me, bounce like me, bounce like me, bounce like me, bounce like me. Hey guys, Nakia Lindsay here, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button right there, right down below. And hit the bell next to it so you can be notified for all the new videos that I post. And if you're an old faithful subscriber, thank you once again for tuning into this video. Today I'm bringing you this simple, smoky, fire red eye look. It is 1:42 a.m. so I'm not going nowhere. You know, I never go anywhere when I film these tutorials. But anyway, I'm just doing this fire red look. This was actually requested by one of my subscribers, and I've been holding back and I haven't filmed this video, and she's been asking me about it. So, girl, this is for you. This is for you. Fire red smoky eye with a little bit of orange in the crease. This literally took me like 10 minutes to do for the eyes. It's really simple. Let me know what you think of this video, and if you want to see how I got this blown out red smoky eye look, then just keep on watching. So my eyebrows are already done. For my brows, I use my Kat Von D Super Brow in the color Walnut. My eyes are already primed. To prime my eyes, I just went ahead and used my Urban Decay Primer Potion in Original. And I also put a little concealer on. This is the Stila Stay All Day Cover Foundation in the color Deep 14. It's the foundation and the concealer is on the top. I use the top part concealer as a base for all over my eyes, just to mute out my eyelid color because I do have dark eyes and I want this color that I'm gonna put on my lids to pop. So once again, the Stila Stay All Day color Deep 14, plus the foundation is a little bit too orange for me, so I don't really wear it, but the concealer is great. And I also use that to clean up my brows. I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Ablaze palette. I'm going to be taking this color right here, and I'm going to be putting that as my brow bone highlight. Okay. Now for the main show, I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and I am going to take this brown color right here in the top row. I forgot the name of it. I'm taking this and I'm putting that as my transitional color. I'm gonna go in with this fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna go back in with the 3502 palette, and I think I'm gonna take this orange color right here. I'm gonna take this color and I'm going to put that color into my crease. The fluffier your blending brush is, then the more diffused the color is going to be. You want the color that you put into your crease to be nice and diffused because this is a smoky eye. It's a blown out smoky eye, so you want the colors all to be diffused and blended properly. Literally focusing it right in my crease. So this is what I have thus far. This orange is a little bit patchy on me, so I might have to switch it up and do another orange, but this is what I have thus far. Orange is strictly into my crease. I'm gonna go back in with that brush that I used for the brown color and just blend out the edges of that orange with that brown color. I'm gonna be taking the box of crayons eyeshadow palette by the Crayon Case. I'm gonna be taking the color red and I'm going to be putting that all onto my lid. And I'm gonna bring a little bit of the red into my crease. So this is what I have thus far. Here's what I have thus far. I'm gonna be taking another clean brush and I'm just going to buff this red out into my crease along with that orange color. I'm doing a clean brush because I don't want to add any more product. I just want to diffuse this color tremendously. So I have the color diffused. I'm gonna go in with a blending brush, another blending brush. I'm gonna go in with another blending brush and I'm gonna take this color in the Crayon Case brown. You can use any matte brown. I'm gonna use a deeper matte brown to smoke this eye out look more. So this is what you should have basically. I'm not using black like a traditional black smoky. I'm using a warm brown color to smoke it. And I'm gonna keep adding more of the red because with a smoky eye, as much as you're blending, you will lose a little bit of color. So once you lose color, just add it back so you can get the color that you really want. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more red. Is what my blown out smoky is looking like. You can add liner if you want. I am gonna add liner. You don't have to do liner. You can just leave it as is, but I'm gonna add liner because I like liner. I'm gonna add a nice wing and then I'm gonna go and do this eye and then I will be right back. Okay, so the eyes are done. I added a little liner for lashes. I just have on these Ardell 113 Wispies. They're a double pack, so you know, double pack. Continue with the face. I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my Too Faced Hangover RX. Just gonna take my Too Faced Hangover RX primer and prime my whole face. Taking my Lancome 520 Tate Idol foundation 24-hour wear, NYX Stay Matte Not Flat foundation, and I'm going to use both of those together for my face. Okay, so now that my foundation is done and it is drying, I'm going to go ahead and highlight. To highlight, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color 30 Cafe, along with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C12. What are you doing?
Still deleting. I have a lot of unnecessary stuff.
What this for me? Come on, before my concealer gets too tacky. Now we blend. Now we blend. So I set my highlighted areas with my Black Radiance loose, what is this? Black Radiance loose setting powder in the color Banana. I'm gonna go in now and contour my face with my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Black Coffee. You already know the deal with that. Next, I'm gonna go in with my good old CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronze Bronzer. Literally have had this bronzer forever and I literally cannot hit pan because this is all I've hit, but I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face up really quick just to give me some more warmth. Now I'm gonna go back in and finish the rest of the eyes before I finish off the rest of the face. To line my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Pencil, the color Black, and I'm just going to line my bottom waterline. I'm gonna go back in with the red color that I used for my lid. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my bottom lash line to smoke out the red to make this whole look cohesive. Brown color and just put the brown underneath that red just to further intensify the eye look. I'm just gonna take just some regular old mascara. This is the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I'm just gonna use a little bit of mascara just to blend my real lashes with the false lashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish off my face. I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. If you saw my last video, you already know I suck at contouring my nose, but it's okay. Alright, now to set my whole face, I'm going in with my Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Ebony, and I'm going to use a big fluffy powder brush just to dust some of that powder all over to set my whole face. I'm gonna go in with the crayon case and Glola highlighter to highlight my face. Okay, so I added the highlighter to my nose, Cupid's bow, and now I'm gonna set my face once more finally with my Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Now we move on to the lips. For the lips, I'm going to use my NYX Espresso Lip Liner, which I always use. Nothing new. You can do whatever type of lip you want, but I think I'm going to do red, just because I'm extra. That's just me. But you can do a nude lip if you so choose. I'm going to take my Sephora Always Red lip stain in the color 01, Always Red, and I'm going to apply this to my lips. I'm gonna be taking my NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the color Sandstorm, which is like a taupey brown. I'm just gonna pat that right in the middle of the lipstick. The final look. The Simple Fire Red Smoky Eye. Literally used 3 colors. It literally takes you 5 minutes. It's all about blending, 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 so you get a seamless transition of colors on your eye and you get that nice smoky effect. Like I said, you could have went neutral with your lip, but I'm extra, so I chose red. But yeah, this is the final look. Get into the skin, honey. Let me know what you think of this look down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please leave me more suggestions for videos to film. If you haven't already, check out my previous video. It's in the cards. I'm always linking a card. It's in the cards. Check that out. Let me know. Follow all my social media sites. They will be listed down below in the description bar like always. And yeah, until next time. Get it together.